Stop wasting hours designing slides from scratch. Let me show you a faster way. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring Gamma AI. First, head over to gamma.app and click Start for free. You can sign up with Google or your email address. Once you're in, you'll land on the Create screen, where Gamma gives you 3 ways to get started: paste in text, import a file or URL, or generate from a one-line prompt. For example, I'll type create a pitch deck for a subscription box that delivers organic, low-sugar snacks every month, and hit Generate Outline. Gamma instantly creates a full 8-card outline. Each card is like a slide, ready to go. You can edit text, cards around, or rearrange the order. Next, pick a theme from Gamma's professional designs. You can adjust colors, fonts, and backgrounds to match your brand. Choose how much text appears per card, from brief to detailed, and select AI-generated images to bring your slides to life. You can also use stock photos, upload your own, or set a specific visual style, including color palette and mood. Gamma even lets you select the AI image model, like Ideogram 3 Turbo, for realistic or creative visuals. Hit Generate, and Gamma designs your full presentation. Each slide includes headlines, visuals matching your brand, flowcharts, timelines, or product images. You can modify images directly, change text, adjust backgrounds, or even regenerate new visuals. Need new slides? Simply describe them and Gamma creates them instantly. You can also insert text blocks, images, videos, charts, forms, or buttons for interactive content. When your deck is ready, click Present. Showcase it in Gamma's built-in viewer with smooth animations. You can share links, invite collaborators, export as PDF, PowerPoint, or Google Slides, and even track engagement analytics to see which slides people interact with most. Finally, your main Gamma workspace keeps all your projects organized like a personal cookie jar of ideas. You can start new projects, import content, or return to existing decks anytime. And that's it. Gamma helps you go from a blank idea to a complete professional presentation in minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe and leave your questions in the comments. I'd love to see what you create.